Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Frenzo.
Shut up!
Sorry.
We're having class in here today because my room is under fumigation. So, continue on as we would.
Mr. Frenzosa.
Whose garbage is this? You know what I do with garbage? You know what I do with garbage?
What?
I spike it off the ground.
But Mr. Frenzosa, all of our classes at the Bloomsburg Fair with their friends.
You think I care, kid? Huh?
No, I mean, I'm ready. I'm ready for class.
Shut your trap. Alright, class. I'm gonna have to ask you all of you, every which one of you, to hand in your 2-page assignment.
Actually,
Shut up! Over
sorry.
the weekend. On proofs. Euphis, you gonna give it up or what?
Here, I actually wrote a 600-page textbook in my spare time, and if you look here, this is the proofs.
What? You trying to be an overachiever or something?
No, actually,
Let me read what you got.
I wanted to please.
Shut up! What do you got in here?
The midpoint theorem.
Shut up! You got midpoint theorems, proving theorems, bisector theorems.
You can read the midpoint.
Shut up!
If you want. You can prove it. See, look, I have it in there. It's completely correct.
This is garbage.
What are you talking about?
Garbage!
This is textbook definition.
This is garbage! I'm the teacher here, not you. You know what I do with garbage? I showed you earlier. I throw it off the ground.
That's my precious work.
Get out of here.
Okay, fine. I'll show you what I did.
Since I got nothing better to do in class besides look at your ugly face, give me the definition of a midpoint theorem.
Well, actually, I wrote it down in this book I wrote.
You mean your book of garbage?
See, look. Look over here. I got look, right here. The midpoint theorem. I proved it using the given, of course, and the given figure, which is if M is the midpoint of line AB, then AM is 1/2 AB, and MB is 1/2 AB, because M is the midpoint of segment AB, which is the given. Segment AM is congruent to segment MB, or AM is equal to MB, which is the definition of a midpoint. AM plus MB equals AB, that's segment addition postulate. AM plus AM equals AB, or 2AM equals AB, which is substitution property. AM equals 1/2 AB, which is division property of equality. And MB equals 1/2 AB, which is substitution property. There.
What a correct definition of a midpoint theorem would be if M is the midpoint of AB.
Hey, you're reading
Then
out my
shut up! Then AM equals 1/2 AB and MB equals 1/2 AB. I just thought of it off the top of my face.
Okay. So, you want to see the angle bisector theorem?
Why not?
Okay.
You know, one of these days, kid, you're gonna get some snake skin in your mouth.
Over here, look, and I even made these. I made these bold-faced red. That way you could tell, and I made the diagram.
Let me read it.
Look at it.
Hold your mouth. Hold your mouth. You let a monkey write this?
Fine, then you tell me it.
I'll kill you, kid. Can I tell you, what page was this garbage on?
I don't know.
Pick a page, any page, kid. I'll prove it to you any day.
It's page, I think, 46.
Nope, 44. You're wrong. You don't even know your own book. Garbage. If BX is the bisector of angle ABC, then measure of angle ABX equals 1/2 the measure of angle ABC, and measure of angle XBC equals 1/2 of measure angle ABC. Get schooled.
Oh, okay. Well,
You should be reading every night.
I wrote this.
I wrote this. That's what they all say. Think you intimidate me, kid?
No, not at all, Mr. Prince.
You want to know something, kid? I ate a bowl of rusty nails for breakfast.
Oh, that's impressive.
Without any milk. Now get up to the board Just write about a proof.
Do I have to prove? What do I have to prove?
Whatever your little heart desires. You think you're intimidating, huh?
No, not at all.
Why don't you try teaching the class for the rest of the period?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
Get
try.
up to the board.
I'll show you what steps you have to use to make a proof. And what you look for.
Hey, you're the teacher, not me.
Okay.
I'm just gonna sit like an
Am I allowed to use the book I wrote?
average student.
Am I allowed to use the book I wrote?
You're the teacher,
Okay.
like an average student. What every other student would do.
Okay.
They're sitting in class.
You first want to analyze the figure. This will help you greatly in solving the proof, as without it you would not be able to. Then write down your given and proof statements that you have to prove and are given. Then you should make an outline of showing you how to get from point A to point B. And the final thing you should do is, I'm sorry if I'm writing fast, but you should then solve your proof with the reasons. The bell's about
Hold
to
on,
ring.
I gotta text Becky. Hold on 1 second.
Do we have any assignments?
I don't know.
Do we have any assignments?
Hold on!
Am I free to go then?
No, you're never free to go, kid. Sit your bottom end down while I tweet back to Becky.
Okay. So I'm really interested if there's a test tomorrow.
Sit down. I'm not doing anything. I'm not busy at all. Yep. You want me to? Yeah, I can hang out whenever. Okay. Peace.
Friend Zosa, just before I leave, is there a test or assessment tomorrow?
No, kid. There's no test, no assessment, no nothing, no homework. Get out of my face and go to your next class.
Okay, bye, Mr. Friend Zosa.
Shut up.
Okay.
Alright, folks. Today we're gonna have a pop quiz. Dasher, great to see you back from the Bloomsburg Fair. How was it, bud?
Oh, thanks. It was great.
It's good. That's good.
I went in.
Yusuf, it's not good to see you. It's never good to see you. I'd actually be happy if you left my class. But anyways, we're gonna have a pop quiz today on the reasons you use in proofs. Yusuf, come on, we don't got all day.
Okay, postulates, theorems, given information, definitions, and pose. That seems right.
Alright, Dasher, whatever you got's probably good. Okay, time's up, let's go. Alright, Dasher. Answers to your pop quiz were postulates, theorems, definitions, given information, and pose. Now, if you mess this one up, I don't know what you're doing here. Okay, time's up, let's go. Alright, Dasher. These ones gonna take yours anyway, I don't really care. Dasher, you take your time. Postulates theorem? What is this?
It's the reasons.
You get an F, kid.
What?
Dasher, let me read this. Well, since I don't know, I'll talk about the fair. Great girls, hashtag woo. 100%.
What?
This
That's
test
not fair.
was 100% opinionated. Dasher, you get an A. Yusuf, you fail.
Alright, Mr. Franzo, I'm out.
Great seeing you, Dasher.
Enough is enough. Can I come in?
No.
Well, you know.
I don't care, okay? I'm sick and tired of you thinking you're a teacher, because you're not. You look through my book, you call it garbage, but you don't know anything to show for it, okay? I'm sick and tired of you showing favoritism when you probably don't even know second grade math. So, had enough.
what? Congratulations, kid. You finally got yourself a backbone. That's all I ever wanted to see. That's it. That's all I ever needed. But you know what? This comes from the heart when I say this. You're still failing my class. You assaulted a teacher, you dirty little punk. Get out of here, you schmuck!